We needed complementary skills in order to have a combined organization, combining skills on both sides. Saint-Gobain had the right technologies. Saint-Gobain had the approach of being a system integrator, so Saint-Gobain was the obvious partner.
The challenge for us is to combine the innovation project together with the car development project and to meet the milestones which have been defined and to meet the quality requirements and the user experience which Renault was expecting to achieve with this new system.
First, we had to integrate this new magic sunroof in our vehicle architecture in order to drive a segment-by-segment approach, what we call a wave effect that all the customer will see. We wanted this to be driven by an electronic system. All that in a very tough schedule. I think it was challenging.
The technology itself is a switchable glazing based on liquid crystal technology, which is activated by electric fields to assure a specific Renault user experience in the car and to bring really dynamic to this glazing element and the perception of the people sitting in the car. So we are using a multi-layer coating technology on this glass. There is a first coating which is reflecting the infrared portion of the sunlight back to the outside, avoiding it to enter into the car. And there is a second layer which is acting like a block.
So we adapted the agility in a joint co-development for this innovation. All the skills were combined together in a very agile organization.
To collaborate closely together, it is starting with knowing well each other, the processes of both companies working together, and then you can be very agile in this trustful collaboration.
This is a perfect illustration of the Renaulution which is ongoing, and of course, much more to come.